So on this video, this is a sneak peek of our trekking going to Marlboro Hills dito sa may Sagada. Isa to sa may highest peak and also madami kayong makikita. It has a marvelous sunrise and also a dreamy of sea of clouds. And of course, makikita mo yung hagdan-hagdan pala yan ng Banawe Rice Terraces. Kung magta-try ka dito, all you have to prepare is your jacket if lamigin ka. And also, bibigyan ka naman nila ng stick for you to use para hindi ka masyadong mahirapan maglakad kasi medyo may pataas, may pababa, and mabato siya. On this trek, this is my first trek here in Sagada, and oh my god, buti na lang talaga nandun yung aming tour guide and also yung meron pa kami isang kasama na lalaki para for us to go ahead and guide the way kasi sobrang dilim talaga. As in, wala ka talaga makikita. All you can use is just flashlight. And kami, naglalakad kami ng boyfriend ko. At nag-aaway pa kami dyan. Just kasi, nako, Diyos mio. Na yata ng emosyon nakuha ko dito. Galit, asar, saya, excitement, lahat. Nakakatawa din naman yung experience. Sobrang nakakapagod siya pero worth it naman kapag nandun ka na sa may peak. And also, syempre, this is one of the best way for you to go ahead and enjoy Sagada. Go ahead and visit Mountain, and this is Marlboro Hills. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.
Ano masasay? Tagalan mo naman, unti.